Students, I wanted to review what your final will look like. The final has two parts. The first part is a series of 3 discussions that will help you demonstrate your ability to critically review health information. So if you go into the modules, you'll see that after Module 17, you now have one that's indicated as final. And if you open it up, you'll see the final quiz, which will be available on the 23rd of May and close on the 24th of May. And you'll see that you also have some discussions here. So what you'll need to do for each of these 3 discussions is review an article and answer a series of questions. So you'll see I have a link to something called What Facebook Addiction Looks Like in the Brain. If you click the link, it will take you to the article that you need to read. And then after you have read it, you'll need to answer a series of questions. For authority, bias, and content, I have the questions you'll need to answer. Now, things like authority, accuracy, I'm asking you if it's based on sound medical research, and I want you to dig deeper than say, yes, it was written by a doctor, because having the prefix doctor in front of your name doesn't make you an authority on everything. So I want you to look at the article and then reflect on these questions and write your posting, giving your critical evaluation to the authority, the accuracy and authority of the article below. So first you will do authority, then using the same article, you will look at bias. And here you'll find a series of questions related to bias. And so you will again post in the discussion your responses to these prompts, and you don't have to necessarily answer all of them in order. These are more to be guiding questions, but also these responses should do a good job of covering these areas. So that is authority, bias, and then the third one that you'll need to look at is currency and content. Again, I've selected the same article, and again, I've given you prompts that you need to respond to in the reply area here. Now that is due on Monday, May 21st. On the 22nd, you will be assigned another student to provide a content, or I should say peer review for each of the discussions. If you would just simply reply to them here, I will be able to find your responses and that way alleviate the problem I've had in the past in terms of linking you up. So this is the first part of your final, and you need to have this completed by Monday. Then on Wednesday, the quiz portion, which is worth 20 points, will be opened up, and it all needs to be finished by Thursday, May 24th. So please let me know if you have any questions.